Hello everyone, how to blur a video in CapCut application. So let's start the video. So first of all, you have to open up your CapCut application and upload a media from your gallery. After uploading that video, we are ready to start the editing. So let's start it. You can see all the major tools in the bottom of your screen. So to add blur effect, you have to slide a little bit and move toward right where you can find the effect or tool. Tap on video effects and all the effects will start showing. Scroll down and you'll find the blur effect and you have to tap on it, and this effect will help you blur your video easily. This is how you can blur your videos easily. It is a very easy and a very simple process, just you have to follow these steps and trust the process. I hope this video will help you a lot in any way. Thank you for showing this much interest in our videos. Consider like, share and subscribe to our channel. By following these steps, you can blur your videos by using CapCut.